Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, I am going to show you how you can create the whiteboard animation video. In my previous video, I show you the how to create the text to animation video. So that's why the many friends text me and then asking me how we can create the whiteboard animation video. So this video will help you easily that you can create the whiteboard animation video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new video. So let's begin to our topic. Okay friends, so first of all we need to download a software that name VideoScribe. So this software will help us how we can create the whiteboard animation video. So we type there VideoScribe, then you can see here the bottom official link. So we click the VideoScribe. So now you can see the official website of the VideoScribe. So you can directly buy or you can use the free trial version. So what we need to do, we just click the try for the free or free trial. So we just click the free trial and then we sign up our account to create an account, and then we can use the VideoScribe software. So we just faster we fill up the form. So after I fill up our information, you can see here no credit card required and to start your 7 days free trial. So we can use the free trial version for the 7 days. So we just click the create your free account. Now you can see here thanks for signing up for your VideoScribe trial. So here is giving the two options, try VideoScribe for your browser now, and then download VideoScribe for the Windows. So I recommend you to download the VideoScribe for the Windows or Mac, so you can easily use. So we just click the download VideoScribe for Windows and then we install in our PC. So we just wait for the download. Okay friends, so our software is already downloaded, so we just install in our PC. Next, then install. So we can close our browser. So our software is already installed, so we just click the launch and then finish. So we will open the software. Okay friends, so this one is now interface of VideoScribe. So you can see here the many templates. You can use here template to create your whiteboard animation video, or you can create a new. So I am just creating new for example basis so you can learn. So I just click the create a new scribe. So now you can see here the things that you must know. So you can see here the hand and then the background option, voiceover, music, and then you can see here the text and then images, all everything you can add here in the scene. So what I need to do, first thing is I select the hand mode, how I can write, so the hand can show in the whiteboard. So I select the hand like this. You can see our hand. If we select the hand, this type of hand is appear on our video animation. So I just select the hand. Now I need to, first important thing is my script. So you must prepare the script before you are creating the video, so you can easily do your animation video or what you want to describe in your video. So easily you can do it your whiteboard animation video. So this video is only example basis. So I just I just copy paste the any text and then any animation that just want to show you so you can easily learn. So I copy paste, I just take from the Google any script and then copy paste here, so just for the learning. So first thing I need to select the text. You can see here the text option, I select the text and then I paste my text here, and then you can see here the text font style also you can select, and then you can see the color, and then you can select the font style, and then you can select the paragraph. You want right side or left side or center. For example, I just select the center, and then you can, if you want to change the color of the text, you can select here any color. You can select the color, you can select the font style, everything you can get here. For example, I just select this font style, then you can see I easily get the font style, and then I click OK. So font style is already applied, and then if you want to move your text, you can easily move up, down, or center, or you can, if you want bigger, you can make it big like that. So you can easily do. And then now if you want to put any image here, you can add here image. So I just select the image, and then you can directly search from the Google engine. So I just type here success. Then the Google will provide us the success animations. So you can see, for example, I select this one image. This one only for the example basis, so you can select anything you want, and then you can choose your things to do base to base, create your animation video. Then you can resize it normally. So now if you want to change to different mood, if your animation change the page or change the scene down, up, left, right, so you can select here arrows. So if I want to select the down or up or left or right, for example, I just select the left side. So I type another text and then put and paste here. Then if I want to add any animation, so I just resize it. Then like that you can do it by yourself, anything you want, because this one I don't want to waste your time, and then I just create as a sample video from the start. If I want to play, you can see our animation video will be like that. So like that, if you want to add your voiceover or music, you can take the music from here and then you play and then add. It's very simple. I'm not going to add any music or going to add any voiceover, so wasting your time like that. So that is very simple, you can do, and then after that you can save. Okay friends, so our video is saved already on our desktop. If I open, you can see our video is fully ready with the whiteboard animation, but you can see the watermark. So if you want to check first, and then if you like the things you want to make the whiteboard animation, so you can upgrade it. So you can upgrade your pro version to don't have watermark, and then you can make your video. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video. Thank you.